Hi, I'm Swati. Well, today I would like to talk about the biggest failure of my life at the age of 19 and what I learnt from it. I would like to share that at that time I actually thought that something was majorly wrong with me, not my circumstances, not my preparation, but something was extremely wrong with me as a person. But today, as I sit with a much older version of myself, I can see that whole situation very differently now. The perspective has completely changed. At that time, I was totally dependent on the first job that I had got at the age of 19. I was emotionally, mentally, financially completely dependent. So, when I came to Mumbai with such big dreams, that failure felt like a very big shock to me. I started feeling extremely worthless and I felt a lot of guilt and shame. Guilt because I couldn't live up to my parents' expectations, and shame because I had this constant thinking that what would I tell other people, especially back in Lucknow. What would I tell everyone around me what just happened? I was extremely scared to tell people the truth that yes, I did fail. But now, when I think about it, I feel that I could have just told everyone. Even if there was a lack of preparation, I could have faced the truth. उस वक्त फेलियर की डेफिनेशन मेरे लिए थी दैट आई एम नॉट केपेबल इनफ, आई एम नॉट वर्थ इट, मैं मेरे अंदर वो स्किल्स नहीं हैं, मैं औरों से कम हूँ. और वो इन्फीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स जो होता है वो मैंने पहली बार महसूस किया जब मुझे उसका मीनिंग भी नहीं पता था. बट ऑब्वियसली मच लेटर आई रियलाइज व्हाट आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू दैट टाइम. बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को कम समझना, एक्सट्रीम लो इन माई कॉन्फिडेंस इज़ वॉट एग्जैक्टली वॉज हैपनिंग विद मी ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. एट द एज ऑफ 19, failure felt like a full stop. It did not feel like a feedback or a pause or some kind of learning, or you know what they say, whatever happens happens for the good. Nothing at all I felt. I only felt this was it, and there is nothing beyond this that I can do now. So it felt very differently as compared to how I feel about failures now after so many years. ये मेरे अंदर जो ट्रांजिशन आया है फ्रॉम अ वेरी timid, underconfident person to a confident personality, but even today I would say that I'm still learning, still evolving, still transforming, I'm becoming. But जो थोड़ा बहुत भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आया है उसको आने में काफ़ी टाइम लगा है, उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने में बहुत टाइम लगा है. और उस वक्त सोशल मीडिया भी इतना नहीं था. आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी वन हु could actually guide me, who could actually tell me, no Swati, you are a good, talented person, you're a good person, you deserve more, it is not about your skill but about your belief. ये मुझे बोलने के लिए कोई भी नहीं था. सो अल्टीमेटली जो मेरे दिमाग में मैंने एक परसेप्शन बनाया खुद के लिए, आई स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग दैट. बट यू नो हाउ दैट फेलियर हेल्प्ड मी. Today, I have an amazing understanding of human emotions. I have become an empath. I understand human psychology. By nature, I like to study it. मैं इमोशंस को बहुत डीपली समझती हूँ क्योंकि शायद उस वक्त मेरे इमोशंस को किसी ने नहीं समझा, कोई था ही नहीं. I didn't know what to do. So आज after so many years, I think with time, with a lot of learning, when I learned to sit with my discomfort of facing my failures, then I learned so much out of it. I became a person who is deeply emotional and who is also able to understand other people's emotions really well. And I'm so proud of who I have become today. Today, if you ask me if I want to go back to my past and maybe change what happened, I would say no. My answer would be a complete no, because whatever actually happened, today I can say it happened for the good, and it taught me so much which I am sure no other books could have taught me, no other degree could have taught me, nothing could have taught me in life, no other even mentor could have taught me. जो मुझे लाइफ ने सिखाया, जो उस फेलियर ने सिखाया, मैं उस फेलियर को लेके बहुत साल तक स्टक रही, thinking that it still defines my worth, and people are still going to judge me if I will share anything about my exam failure. So I just want to tell you all that अगर आप भी कोई एक ऐसे फेलियर या रिजेक्शन या कोई एक बात को लेके अभी तक स्टक है, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू, यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज इट डज नॉट डिफाइन योर वर्थ एट ऑल. यू आर मच मच मोर देन योर फेलियर्स. वो सिर्फ एक मोमेंट होता है, वो सिर्फ एक फेलियर है. आज कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, कितने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं जिनकी लाइफ में कितने फेलियर्स आए हैं, फिर भी आज वो इतने सक्सेसफुल है. यू नो व्हाई? क्योंकि उन्होंने बिलीफ नहीं छोड़ा, क्योंकि वो आज तक खुद पे बिलीव करते आए हैं, इसीलिए दुनिया भी उन पे बिलीव करती है. एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है और बहुत फेमस भी, मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. आपको पता है उन्हें किस चीज़ के लिए रिजेक्ट किया था उनकी लाइफ में? उनकी आवाज़ के लिए वो रेडियो से रिजेक्ट हुए थे, और उनकी हाइट के लिए वो मूवीज़ से रिजेक्ट हुए थे. वही दो चीज़ों के लिए वो रिजेक्ट हुए थे जिसकी वजह से आज वो इतने पॉपुलर है, जो उनका यूएसपी है, उनका सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ है. और उसका रीज़न ये है कि उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी, उन्होंने खुद से बिलीव नहीं छोड़ा, और जब वो हुआ, then magic started happening. Then everybody around him started believing in him. And the rest is history. Well, I just want you all to know this, that any moment of failure or rejection does not define your worth, because you're still becoming. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching.